Yeah. We have a black rocket with a black engine. G something 77. And then we have the famous green rocket with the IQ of 80 or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I-Rock.
I-Rock. Okay, range is clear. The range is live. We have continuity on number 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And lift off, it looks good. It's right in the sun, I can't see.
Coming right back down. Boom.
Parachute? Cool. Okay, we have continuity on number 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It blasted.
Woohoo!
It actually blasted itself with it. Look at how far that sucker went.
Beautiful. Good job.
Did you see that? Did you see that rocket? It actually.
Okay, range is open.
Catch
Right
it,
now,
catch
wait for
it.
the
Style
range.
points. Oh, no style points. Okay.
That, isn't there? Did that thing?